Today we are exploring the underground scene here in Bangkok, and that is Nana Plaza, the wildest of the wildest. Now, I don't really encourage you guys to come here and do this, but I just thought since I'm passing by, I'll show you a sneak peek on how it's as of today in 2026. Oh, hello. Colombia.
Only 1,000.
What?
1,000.
Oh, for what?
1 hour sexy massage. I have a room.
Oh, I'm okay. Thank
Just
you.
1,000.
1 hour sexy
Yes,
massage.
for everything. I have a room.
Oh, thank you. Are you from Philippines?
Yeah, from
Oh,
Manila.
nice. Cool. I did no, I'm okay.
What you want?
I'm just gonna. It's my first day here, so.
Fuck my pussy and my ass.
Oh. But you're a real girl?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. I'm okay. What the fuck? I think that was a ladyboy, bro. That's crazy. Hello, how are you guys? Hello, I'm okay. I guess if you come here on a day where it's quiet, you can probably get a good deal, as you saw. 1,000 for everything. She said I can do this and I can do that, which is kind of crazy. Now the question is that a real girl? I don't know. Filipino Johns, they're very good at hiding if they're real girls or not. So I don't know. She was short. I'm a short guy. I'm 5'5" guy, so she was short. But I don't know if she was a real girl. You guys let me know in the comment section. Hey, oh, you're not at that. Hey.
Big with me.
What's this? What is that?
Beer.
You're drinking beer? Oh,
Sit down.
I don't drink alcohol.
Why?
Because I'm a good boy. I'm a man of God.
Soda only. Soda.
I'm a man of God.
Pepsi, Coke, soda.
Okay.
Orange.
Okay. It's my first time. Can I just see a little bit and maybe I'll come back? I like you. You're cool. What's your name?
Yui.
Joey. Nice to
You
meet
have
you.
that.
Hillary too is actually pretty good for party, but inside, a lot of the girls, from what I've heard, are also working girls. So if you go in there and you see a girl flirting with you, just ask her if she's a working girl, because the possibilities are that she is, and she's probably just flirting with you so she can take you home and smash with you. All right. Oh, nice. Wow. Hello, Sawadika. Hello. Oh my God. Hello, how are you? Hey, brother. Thank you. How are you, bro? Thank you, man. Wow, this is the spot, huh? Hello.
It's a good place to have a drink.
Okay, I can. Hey, how much is it to buy the girls their drink?
No idea.
No idea.
They're not girls.
They're not girls?
They're ladyboys.
Oh, all of them are ladyboys?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought they were real girls. Have you tried them before? Oh,
I just
okay.
come here for a drink.
Just come
I've been coming to Thailand for 15 years.
Oh, okay.
Come for a drink.
Enjoy the view.
Remember the most important word in Thailand is respect.
Respect, of course.
Just respect everybody.
Yeah.
Talk to you. Buy a drink. You can talk to them.
Okay.
And you'll learn about their life.
Oh, okay.
And you'll learn about life too, because you're only young.
Okay. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Huh? Jesse. Okay, I'm Chris. My name's Chris.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jesse. Need to go. Huh? Shot, boom. What? No, I don't. I'm okay. I don't want to do that. I'm sorry. I don't want to do that. I'm shy. Oh God. I gotta get out of here. All right, bro. Have fun. Oh my God, I gotta get out of here. Oh, bro, I'm out of here. Ain't no way, dude. That's a little too much. I'm sorry, God. I'm just trying to show the culture of Thailand. I'm sorry. Oh my God. I'm sorry. It's normal. It's okay. It's part of the culture, okay? The Aussie man said, I've been coming here for 15 years. All you gotta do is just be respectful and understand the culture, and that's it. If you show them respect, they show respect to you. And then I said, have you tried it? He said, no, I've never tried it before. I don't know what you guys think in the comment section. I don't know. I'm sure my guy has had a little too many few drinks and gone a little above and beyond with the ladyboys, because some of them you, bro, from a distance, you're like, ain't no way that's a dude. And so basically, upstairs they have like private rooms, and I mean, you can do whatever you want. That's what they offer you. I don't know the price, but personally, I would not want to go up there and get. You probably get raped, dude. Because you're messing with guys. If you're messing with guys, you know, guys are pretty horny. And if they get a good-looking guy like me, a good-looking star like me, we can have some problems, I think. Sorry? Hand job? Okay. I have a girlfriend. Lady or man? She's a lady. Yeah, lady. Huh? I look gay. Oh my god, really? No, it's okay. Is it because I'm so pretty? Ah, thank you. 34. 34, yeah. You, how old are you? I think you're like 24. 24, yeah? Yeah, right? Oh, okay, cool. Oh, happy birthday. See you later. Oh. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
See you guys later. Hi, how are you? Oh, cool glasses. Have fun, guys. You. Oh, okay, thank you. What?
Rolex.
What?
Rolex.
Rolex? Oh no, I'm okay, bro. Thank you.
I saw you very nice watch.
What?
I have so nice watch.
I know, bro, but I have Apple Watch.
I know, but I give a good price for you.
Okay, let me see what you got, bro.
I give a best price for you.
What is? How much?
Like blue.
What's the price? What's the price?
This is 2,700.
2,700.
But
That's like 80. That's like almost $90, bro. That's too much.
Very good price, sir. Because
Nah,
how
bro.
much your best price?
500 baht.
Okay, give me.
Really?
Okay.
500 baht.
Yes, I give you.
Yeah, that's kind of a good price,
You check
bro.
everything, sir. No problem, sir. Yes.
Are you sure about that, bro?
I'll show you, sir.
Damn, we went from 2,700 to 500 baht.
No problem. You check everything. No problem. You want to open? You want to fix for
Damn,
you?
bro. What about 300 baht?
No, sir.
No.
I give you better price for you. Only for you. I
bro.
give you deal, sir, for 500. Sir.
Okay, let me think about it, sir.
I
Let me
give
think
you-
about
I
it,
give
bro.
you
Let me
some
think
money.
about it. Fuck. Damn. I didn't think you was gonna go that low, bro. Jesus Christ. She's my friend. She's a little crazy. That has no teeth. That she's always around here.
Sick.
Oh,
Hospital.
hospital. Why? Too much. She drink a lot.
Yeah. She drink a lot and then you remember the water festival.
Water festival. Yeah.
She play too much and then drink too much.
Oh
and then,
no.
Yeah, get sick.
Oh my god. I hope that she's okay. She gets
Yeah, she
better.
out of hospital but have to heal.
Okay. All right. Well, that's good. Maybe I'll visit her another day. She's here. Okay. Nice to meet you. Take care. I'm okay. Thank you. Damn. That dude has a beautiful face, right? Jesus Christ. Oh, no, I'm okay. Thank you. No. No, I don't want. I mean, a threesome is a dream, of course. But I'm okay. I'm a little shy. Thank you. No, it's okay. Damn, offer me a threesome. Oh, the ping pong show.
Yes.
Wait, pussy ping pong, pussy smoke cigarette,
Ping pong.
pussy open bottle, pussy shoot balloon, pussy write letter. No way, pussy write letter. Pussy chopstick, pussy razor blade, pussy blowing ball, pussy carrot, pussy needle, pussy cracker, pussy magic flower, pussy glowing candle, pussy cut banana. How much does it cost, bro?
How many people?
Just me.
1,500.
1,500, and you see all of this?
All there.
Wow. But like girls naked girls, or
Many lady boy.
many lady boys inside. Oh, okay.
This, I show you this. Look, the lady, ping pong.
Those
show.
are real lady.
Inside, many lady.
Oh.
And you want, you should, you not like, I show you another shop.
Oh,
Another
okay.
shop, I have to view lady.
Okay.
Good lady. And you want, you shoot the number.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's kind of crazy.
First, I show you see the ping pong show first.
Yeah. Okay. All right, bro. Let me think about it. There you go, guys. You can get whatever you want in Thailand, as you can see. That is crazy ping pong show. I've never heard it like that. Hello, how are you?
I'm good at you.
I'm
Where
good.
you from?
Colombia.
Colombia.
Yes. And you, where are you from? You're from here?
From Vietnam.
Oh, you're from Vietnam. No way.
Em live here.
Oh, xin chào. 29 tuổi.
29 tuổi.
29 tuổi. And you?
36 tuổi. Duy.
36. Wow, you look amazing. You're very pretty.
Where you from?
Colombia.
Colombia.
Yeah. We're from Vietnam.
Saigon, Ho Chi Minh.
Saigon. Oh, I love Saigon. Very beautiful place. Thank you. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Okay, all right. Okay. I respect it. I give you a little tip. Here you go, brother.
Oh, thank you so much.
No worries, brother.
Thank you.
Respect. Thank you for working hard.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Kapun ka. Hello.
How are you?
Good. You remember me?
I remember you.
How are you? How you been? How's everything? Good? Hello. How are you?
Nice to see you again.
She's a very nice person. We've hung out with her, with Dawn, what's going on, and everyone else. Yeah. Oh, Joel's girlfriend, right? Yeah. That's right. That was with Joel. Yeah. Oh. What is it? Oh, for the toilet. Oh. Well, let me see how do you do that. Wow.
Thai people can make.
Wow. Wow. Look how they do it in Thailand. The Thai bank. As you can see, Thailand and Bangkok is as crazy as it always has been. And today's only a Thursday night, so here Friday, Saturday night, even crazier. If you guys like this type of content, there is another street called Soy Cowboy. If this video gets more than 50 likes, I'll go and make a video there. Thank you guys for watching. I just want to show a little bit of the culture. I'm still sober, I'm still clean, and I still believe in God. But when it comes to work, I still have to show a little bit of everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. CRIS Travels